Ako, I said, I live by destiny. Kung panahon ko na, panahon ko na. Wala akong pakialam kung barilin mo ako sa likod ko. Kung mamatay, ano mangyari? Tungunin kita. Kung mabaril ako ngayon, maambos ako, ano mangyari? Wala na. Libing, ano pa? O di, bago na ang presidente mo. That is, I said, when talking, we go to a higher level of discussion. That's why there is a vice president. If anything happens to the president, nahulog yung aeroplano, nabaril ako, o na-stroke ako, then that's the vice president. Then you have the Senate president in succession. Then you have the Senate, the Speaker of the House. Yan ang succession. Me, if God says it's your time, it's my time. I live by destiny. Tama naman, wala akong isang gobernador, ni isang barangay captain. And yet, I've always been invoking the name of God. If God wants me to be president, I will be president. If God does not want me to be there, I will never reach that office. Ano? Baka punirariyan ang pag-usapan natin dito kasi I will allow the burial of Marcos sa libingan ng Bayani. Ang batas nagsabi, sino ang pwedeng ilibing doon sa libingan? Presidents and soldiers. Huwag na muna yung iba. Marcos was a president. As a matter of fact, I voted for him during the first term. My father was with him. He was a cabinet member. So I voted for him. Marcos was a soldier. Sinabi lang ng mga kalaban na hindi totoo. But they never sabi, hindi totoo yan si Marcos, peke yan. Well, you know, 5, 6, 7 tao magsabi, totoo, lumaban talaga yan. Pwedeng hindi nakapatay. Pero he was there to fight for his country. Okay na sa akin. Sundalo, pati presidente. No, but I said I will allow his burial. Because definitely, he was a president and a soldier. Alin dyan sa daro, umili kayo. He is qualified to be buried there. Ang ayaw ng ibang Pilipino, fine. Wala akong mag-demonstrate kayo, go ahead. I will not. You can use the streets 1 month. I will tell the mayor, give him permanent permit. Wala nang, ayusin lang ninyo ang traffic. All that I would need really is people na gusto ninyo mag-demonstrate, go ahead. How many days? I'll give you a month. Bigyan mo lang kunti ang mga tao because your right to air your grievance, mag-demonstrate ka mo is a constitutional right. But that right is also subject to the rights of others, not of your liking or sharing your belief. So, demonstrate. Walang problema. Huwag kayong matakot. Sabihin ko sa pulis, hayaan mo. Now, you answer to the people. That will be my policy. Wala kang makitang military pati police. Go ahead. Just maintain the traffic. The police, mga traffic lang ano doon. I'll give you 1 month. Saan gusto ninyo? Luneta, kasi para ma-reroute ko. Quiapo, okay. But you answer to the people for the disturbance. Ako, pulis yan mo. Bumbiro pa ako dyan. Reserva ako ng tubig para sa sunog. Enjoy your right. You have it, but subject to the right of others. Pangatlong last na yan. No. I promised that during the campaign. One of the issues, baka makakuha ako ng boto. Totoo. When I was talking to the Ilocanos, we are a divided nation. Out of 10, siguro 9 nagsisentimento. Only one hates Marcos. But that is not the point. The point is he qualified? Or has the family have that right to bury their father or husband because he was President of the Republic of the Philippines and he was a soldier at one time of his life? Mia, lika rito. Kanina pa kita tinitignan dyan. Sana, Mia? Hindi ka man si Mia? PTB4, gobyerno ka. O, dito, kakampi natin. Ito, buti ito. Kaya, again, I can, again, I can. May mga senador. Wala. And so, ura pa eh. Pero pag binigay sa akin niya, ang ibig sabihin niya nila, basahin mo, sir. Huwag kang magpabor-pabor dyan, sir. Huwag kang magpabili dyan, sir. Kaya baka upakan ka namin, sir. O, di wala, natuloy ako. Wala. Ay, yung patayan, hindi ko alam kung pinatayan dahil nanakawan mo ng asawa, o inano mo yung anak, o talagang sinira mo ang mga sundalo. Dito ito sila, ilang buwan yan. They endure loneliness sa pamilya nila. Pagbalik nila, only to find anak mo sumabog. Anong gawin ng sundalo? Anong gawin ng... What do you think? What do you think the soldiers will do? Makontrol mo dito? I cannot control the minds of... There are about 140 soldiers in this country. You mess up with his life, I cannot say, wag mong gawin yan, wag mong gawin yan. Except maybe to fight. And these are the guys I said, now we send them to the mouths of hell to fight and die. No question. Mama sa pano, 44 ubos. Hindi nga nila alam bakit sila nandoon. Because the police is was created to meet the challenges of urban terrorism. In the first place, they should not have been there. "24 hours. Ibig sabihin, Mayor, kansilado na yan. You are now holding an unlicensed firearm. We are not unreasonable because 24 hours. Give it to the police or call the police to escort you, bring it to the provincial director or city police director. Isyuhan ng receipt yan, and I will order the police to account for those in the firearms. Walang mawala dyan. Ideposito yan sa krami uli until such time that you are qualified to possess and hold a gun. Pati yung police ninyong bodyguard, military, 24 hours, umalis kayo. Report to your mother units. So report to your mother. She is as beautiful as you. Carol Argelius, of the magandang pulas gabi sa iyo, Carol. Anniversary? Yes. Birth anniversary. If the family, if Bongbong feels that it would be a fitting day to celebrate his birthday in the libingan ng mga bayani, so be it. It is the right. Because nag-go-signal na ako. Huh? Yes. Kanila may yung patay, hindi man atin. Okay man tayo makialam.